Hey there YouTube fans, AC Productions here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install this exhaust frame slider. So let me go ahead and show you the tools that you need to install this big bad boy on there. This part actually unscrews, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so it's in two pieces. The bolt is actually going to go in here when we install it, and this part gets installed at the end. For the threads of this, you could either use blue thread lock, or if you happen to have thread tape, I would say we're going to use thread tape for this. But like I said, if you don't have thread tape, go ahead and use blue lock tape. For this particular bolt, it's a big honking bolt, and I believe this one is an 8mm size Allen key here on this side, and on this side it's a 17mm bolt. And then I also have these two spacers for the exhaust slider. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and there we are. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove this bolt. Okay, now that we get all the bolts and everything out, now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab our slider and we're gonna go ahead and put our Teflon tape around the threads of the slider. Once you're done with that, you're gonna put it off to the side, and then we're gonna get our bolts, and actually we'll show you how to do that. Okay, so I already put the thread tape on the end of the slider, and it pretty much looks like this. Already wrapped around. All right, so next we're gonna grab the other part of the slider, which is this guy right here. Now this red stripe, I actually got a regular black slider, exhaust slider, and I just decided to paint this red to match my bike, as my bike is black and red. Now you could do the same with yours, just get the regular black one. There's no point of painting extra for the other stuff, but unless you really want to. And you could just paint this part of it any color you want to match your bike. And excuse some of the imperfections on that. I'll probably use a little bit of a nail polish remover to get rid of the imperfections. But anyhow, let's go ahead and we're going to grab our bolt and take that part off, and we're going to slide the bolt into this part of the slider. Drop it in there, and then after that we are going to put everything else back in. So like I said, I got these two pieces, the thickest ones I could find, and I'm going to go ahead and actually put it in through this part. I'm going to put both of them in like this. Now the reason for this is because I want the slider to actually stick out just a little bit further. It'll stick out for far if you put it in right now, but I wanted to stick it out just a little bit further, from the exhaust for maximum, crash coverage, I would say. All right, so now it pretty much looks like this. Okay, next from this department, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put our slider through the hole. And if you had any mounting brackets on yours, I do have this little spacer that I had on the other side, pretty much over here on this side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this through. It's gonna take a little bit of maneuverability for me, but once you slide it in, don't forget on the other side to put the spacer, the washer, and the lock nut. Okay, now that you already tightened on the bolts, the last part will be pretty much to install the plastic or Delrin or what I don't know. It's pretty much a hard plastic. So you just go ahead and put this in and screw it in, and just pretty much screw it in as tight as you can. There's no real tool to really use on this part. All right, so that pretty much concludes it. That's how you install your exhaust slider. So this is from the side view on how it looks like and how much it sticks out from the exhaust. So I would say a good inch or so. So that'll pretty much protect in case in the event of a crash or whatnot, at least you know that your exhaust will be somewhat protected and not get too scratched up. Alrighty guys, so pretty much that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash that like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell, that way you guys are up to date with my latest videos. I have a new icon underneath this video. If you would like to help support my channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. Just click on the little heart with the $sign. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you know anyone else that could kind of benefit from having something like this on their bike, please share my video. That pretty much helps me out on knowing that you guys are helping others, really, on helping them get something like this installed on their bike or whatnot, or any of my videos for that matter. And if you guys dislike the video, please smash the dislike button. Let me know in the comments below of what you disliked about the video to help me create better videos in the future. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.